Hello students, in this lecture we are going to see the last method, which is reduction to an ordinary differential equation. Now in this method we have the given equation is of the form p of xyz dx plus q of xyz dy plus r of xyz dz is equal to 0. So that the integrating one ordinary differential equation of the first order in two variable. So the condition for integrability should be satisfied. Means what? It should satisfy the condition x into curl x will be 0. Okay. So its solution after solving p of xyz dx plus q of xyz dy plus r of xyz dz is equal to 0 is integrable. Then its solution will be of the form f of xyz is equal to c. So it represents a one parameter family of surfaces in space. So these integral surface will be intersected in a single infinity of curves by the plane called z is equal to ky plus x. So this is equation 2. I call this as 3, where k is the parameter or constant. So the curves formed will be the solution of differential equation. So which is p of xyk dx. We have substitute here z is ky plus x. Okay. So after differentiating it with respect to so here dz is equal to k into dy plus dx. Okay. Substituting this we get in this equation we get here z is functions of x and y. So we get here only two. First p of xy into k dx plus q of xy into xyk dy is equal to 0. Because here we have substituted z is equal to ky plus x and dz will be k into dy plus dx. That is here dz is k into dy plus dx. Then we get only in terms of dx and dy. Okay. So p of xyk dx plus q of xyk dy is equal to 0. Now by eliminating z between equation 1 and 3. What is equation 1? So equation 1 is p of xyz dx plus q of xyz dy plus r of xyz dz is equal to 0. And equation 3 is z is equal to ky plus x. So eliminating z between these two equations, then we get the differential equation dy by dx plus p of xyk divided by q of xyk is equal to 0. This is ordinary differential equation of first order. Suppose its general solution will be of the form phi of xyz is equal to constant c. Suppose point on the axis of the plane 2 is determined by equation y is equal to 0 and x is equal to c. So what will we get? So y is equal to 0 and x is equal to c. Then here in this equation we get phi of xyk is equal to phi of value of x is c and y is equal to 0. So phi of c 0 and k. So in order that the curve's equation 6 should be passed through this point when k varies, equation 7 phi of xy k is equal to phi of c0 k. So which equation 7 represents the family of curves through the point y is equal to 0 and x is equal to c. If c also varies, we obtain successively the family of curves through each point on the axis of the equation 3. If we eliminate k between equation 3 and 7. So what is equation 3? Equation 3 is k plus zy plus x and 7 is phi of xyk is equal to phi of c0 k. So eliminating k between these two equations, so we obtain the integral surface required in the form. So we get the solution. Therefore we get the solution of the form. So what is our value? Z is equal to ky plus x. So from that we get z minus x upon y will get k. So phi of xy and this is value of k is z minus x upon y, which is equal to phi of c0 z minus x upon y. So call this as equation number 8, and this is the complete solution of given Pfaffian differential equation. Now we will see the example based on this method. Integrate the equation. So what is equation? Y plus z into dx plus z plus x into dy plus x plus y into dz equal to 0 by reduction of by reduction of ordinary differential equation. So we solve this example. So is the solution. Given Pfaffian differential equation is what is Pfaffian differential equation is given y plus z dx plus z plus x dy plus x plus y into dz equal to 0. So which is y plus z dx plus z plus x dy plus x plus y dz equal to 0. So what is our x? So here x is y plus z, z plus x and x plus y, and find out its curl. So curl x, after finding its curl we get it is curl x is x into curl, after find out we get it's 0. So here x into curl x is equal to 0, therefore given Pfaffian differential equation will be integrable. Okay, so we find out its solution. So given Pfaffian differential equation is integrable. Given Pfaffian differential equation is integrable. So what is our standard process? So substitute, put z is equal to x plus ky. Substitute z is equal to ky. Then what is dz? So its derivative dz will be dx plus k dy. Okay, substitute dz is equal to dx plus k dy in the given example. Then what happen? Then equation 1 becomes so equation 1 is y plus z dx plus z plus x dy plus x plus y dz equal to 0. Substitute dz is equal to dx plus k dy and z is x plus ky. So in this equation, so we get y plus value of z is x plus ky into dx plus z is x plus ky plus x into dy plus x plus y plus dz, value of dz is dx plus k dy equal to 0. So separating dx dy and dz, dx dy, then so dx into bracket we get here y plus x plus ky plus here next dx is x plus y into dx plus separate dy. So we get here x plus ky plus x plus here after separating dy we get k into x plus y into dy equal to 0. Okay, so here we get x plus y plus here x plus x y plus y, so which is equal to twice x plus twice y plus ky into dx plus here twice x plus here twice x plus ky plus kx plus ky into dy equal to 0. Now here we get this is twice x plus, so after separating y, so 2 plus k into y dx plus, so after taking x as a common, then 2 plus k into x plus here we get 2ky into dy equal to 0. Call this as equation 2. So here 1 plus 1, so here degree of this equation is 1, so power is 1, here is also power 1, so power 1, here is also power 1. Okay, so this is homogeneous equation in x and y. So this is homogeneous equation in x and y. Homogeneous equation in x and y. So substitute by using solving this differential equation by using homogeneous equation. So what is the standard procedure to find out the solution of homogeneous equation? Put y is equal to ux. So substitute y is equal to ux. So here only in two variables. So we'll substitute y is equal to ux. So its derivative dy is equal to u dx plus x du. Substitute this value in this equation, so we get, so twice x plus 2 plus k into y, so value of y is ux into dx as it is, plus 2 plus k into x plus 2k into y, value of y is ux into dy is u dx plus x du equal to 0. Okay, therefore here separating dx and du, then we get twice x plus twice 2 plus k into ux plus here u into 2 plus k into x plus twice k u into x dx plus du term is x into 2 plus k into x plus 2k into ux, which is equal to 0. So here taking x as a common throughout, then what we get, so 2 plus k plus 2 into u plus, after taking x as a common, then we get u into 2 plus k plus 2k u square into dx plus, after cancelling this x, we get here x as it is, so we get 2 plus k into x plus 2k u x, which is equal to, so into here du equal to 0, so here into d into du, which is equal to 0. Okay, therefore here, which implies that, so here 2 plus, taking 2 plus k common, 2 plus k as a common, then we bracket we get u plus twice k u square dx plus, here taking x outside, we get 2 plus k plus twice k u into du, which is equal to 0. So which implies that 2 plus twice u into 2 plus k plus twice k u square dx plus, here x into 2 plus k into plus twice k u du equal to 0. So dividing this term other side and dividing this term, dividing x other side, we get, so we get dx upon x plus 2 plus k plus twice k u upon 2 plus twice u into 2 plus k plus twice k u square into du equal to 0. Okay, here dividing this term other side and dividing x other side, we get dx upon x plus 2 plus k plus twice ku upon 2 plus twice u into 2 plus k plus twice k u square du is equal to 0. So taking 2 outside, then we get, which implies dx upon x plus 1 upon 2 outside, here we get 2 plus k plus twice k u upon, here we get after taking 2 outside, 1 plus u into 2 plus k plus k u square into du equal to 0. Okay, which implies that, so here derivative of this is, after taking derivative of this with respect to u, we will get twice k plus twice ku. So this is okay. So after integrating it, we get, so by integrating we get, what we get, we get log x plus 1 upon 2, this is log of 1 plus u into 2 plus k plus k u square is equal to log c, integrating constant. So which implies that, so So after multiplying by 2, we get 2 log x plus log 1 plus u into 2 plus k u square is equal to, after multiplying by 2, we get log c square. Okay, 2 into log c means what? Log c square. So which is log x square plus log of 1 plus u into 2 plus k u square, which is equal to log c square. So log a plus log b is log a into b. Okay, so we get log of x square into 1 plus u plus into 2 plus k u square is equal to log c square. So after cancelling this, so this is c1 square. So I will call this as c1 square. This is log c1. After taking antilog, we get x square into 1 plus u into 2 plus k u square is equal to c1 square is, I will call this as c1 square, which is equal to constant c. But we have value of y is u into x. So which implies that here we get u is nothing but y by x. So back substituting this value of u in this equation, so we get x square into 1 plus y by x into 2 plus k u square is y square by x square is equal to c. Okay, so here x square, so taking cross multiplication we get, so multiplying throughout by x square, so x square plus y by x, so x get cancelled, yx into 2 plus k y square divided by x square is equal to c. So x square get cancelled, we get its solution x square plus yx into 2 plus k y square equal to constant c. So call this as solution phi of x y z. So therefore this is phi of x y z is equal to x square plus here x into y plus 2 plus k in plus k y square, which is equal to c. Okay, so this is phi of x y z, which is solution of given problem. Now we eliminate k. Okay, so eliminating k by using what we have, value of z is x plus ky. From that we solve this equation for k, we get z minus x upon y, which is equal to k. So using this value of k in this equation, we get phi of x y, and value of z is value of here, this is equation k. Okay, so this is equation in terms of k. We substitute this value k in this equation, we get z minus x upon y equal to here x square plus x into y plus here 2 plus value of k is z minus x upon y plus k here z minus x upon y into y square. Okay, so which is equal to x square plus x into y 2 into y plus z minus x upon y plus z minus x into y. So y get cancelled, so we get z minus x into y. So here this y get cancelled, so x square plus x into twice y plus z minus x into y. So after solving this, we get which is equal to x square plus twice xy plus xz minus x square plus zy minus xy, which is equal to x square get cancelled, twice xy minus xy, we get xy plus xz plus zy. So this is a 5x y z minus x upon y. Okay, we get 5xy comma z minus x upon y, which is x into y plus xz plus zy. Now substitute initial condition. Put initial condition. What is initial condition? Put x is equal to c and y is equal to 0 in above equation, then what we have? Therefore above equation becomes here phi of C0 z minus x upon y is equal to x is equal to c, y is equal to 0, we get 0 plus x equal to c into z plus y is 0, so we get 0, which implies that, so we get here what we have, value of z is nothing but z is x plus ky. Substitute x is equal to c and y is equal to 0, we get 0 plus c plus 0, z is equal to c plus 0, which implies z is equal to c. So in this equation we get 0 plus c into c plus 0, which is equal, substituting z is equal to c in this equation, we get phi of c0 z minus x upon y is equal to c square, right? Therefore we have the condition, we have what we have, phi of x y z minus x upon y is equal to phi of c0 z minus x upon y. Okay, so which implies that, so what is phi of x y z minus x upon y? So we have calculated it. Phi of x y z minus x upon y is, so x into y plus x into z plus z into y, and what is phi of c0 z minus x upon y, which is c square, which is equal to c square. Therefore this is the complete solution of given affine differential equation. Therefore this is complete solution of given affine differential equation. So this is the required solution of given affine differential equation, and this is the required solution. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.